What do you want to? Hello guys, this is your guy Nylon Man and we are here for the food challenge. Yes, sir. We have spanner, as you know, they always know.
Great spanner.
And we have spanner. April has 4 fufu. Why spanner? You know, say you know fufu, they always too much. 12 fufu. So now, 12 now.
12 fufu.
And now,
12.
So April has 4 fufu. Why spanner has 12 fufu? So now the game starts now.
Spanner.
Yeah.
Spanner.
Spanner. Oh. Spanner.
Don't go follow some spanner.
Don't go
Drag
follow.
fufu.
I dey tell you.
Like make your fufu na clean.
Hey.
Spanner clothes na well.
Jesus.
What's going on here? Spanner.
Ebe?
What's going on here? Why are you doing that? What's happening? What is happening?
What's happening? Let's food challenge now.
You are doing food challenge with my friend that just visited me.
It's not a bad thing now.
It's not a bad thing. You know, first to finish with my friend, he just to visit him. It seems it's not a bad thing. Don't let me change her for you. On Christmas with this, I don't they keep quiet. Which kind of nonsense with that one?
What's the problem?
Now, so they start now.
What's happening? You know what you just...
Now, food challenge, I don't bring you. Now, so they start. Before you know it, you go collect spanner from me.
Oh, now that one is like, no, stop. Now, don't
I don't want that.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
Hey, I don't want that. What's in with that one?
No, stop now.
No food challenge here.
How?
I say no food challenge.
Why?
I don't want that.
You went back food for me yesterday.
That one was Christmas. That's why I got it. Make peace reign. Today, no be Christmas. We don't finish Christmas.
We have camera roll. What's the problem now? Why is it like this?
What did I do?
Why this? What did
I don't understand. I say I don't eat food
Carry
again.
your proceed.
Every day now you dey chop food. I don't want that.
Why is this every people then there we there this competition without host now? More do am in peace. Tell me person they earn money. You come there.
Which money?
What is their problem now?
Which money they earn? They earn money.
Stop. Keep that here.
Take your time.
I don't want to start. I know.
Hey, madam, I don't say you don't eye my boyfriend since. I just dey keep quiet. You know, you want carry food challenge. Come twist my brain. This I don't know wetin dey suck. If you say,
you nobody dey eye.
nobody wan collect your guy. Na lie. I don't no challenge anything. I say no challenge anything.
Why you put this thing for your job?
Wetin dey want? I don't want
Don't worry. No, wait. Stop now.
What do you want to? Leave this house. Let's leave this house now. If you don't leave this house, blood there go flow.
Don't worry.
I did my own.
Why you want to do food challenge with spanner? First to win.
Hey.
I tell you,
What did they get?
What did they
I never thought the way everybody like do.
See, me and you not be friends again for today.
What is their problem? They don't catch us for bed. You know, like just food time we do.
That's how they stand.
That's what we have. I'm going to go inside.
Make you leave this house now.
Check it out. Guys, check it out.
I will not go anywhere. And like, I didn't get anything for mine. I did a food challenge. Come on, that's
Guys, what did they happen now? What did they happen?
Everyone has tried them more. I dey tell you this.
You don't come spoil your joy, take away your soul. Oh, it's okay.
And let's be laugh again, turn like a fire. Now so I dey see everything. Maybe they always hear our voice every time. Every time, do not and spinner. Every time, do not and spinner. The last time the whole compound now that already knows as cat and rat.
Now waiting day. Now waiting day use no now. Now never pay for this. Now no free day like this. Now no fight. Now waiting they don't use no now.
I don't like this.
Thank God you there. You do something. Maybe it's
Now when they don't collect this fufu now, spanner. How you want to take it today? This fufu now don't taste them.
now the challenge we will lose. Now the best thing. I know how much I spent for this kilo. Oh, well, nothing to post.
But you know, fine. They won't collect.
Let's thunder fire you. So me, I know you fine boy. I can kill you.